Hi everyone, my name is Nick and you on my YouTube channel. You've probably already seen and played a new game called Cyberpunk 2077. I want to show you clearly how to create a character concept for this game, so sit back and get ready, let's go! And before the start of this release, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram. Subscribed? Thank you very much. Before I start my concept art tutorial, I would like to dive into the character's history and introduce you to here a little. The character resembles a modified human. Some of them look like plastic dolls. You can meet such a character on the way to the Night City nightclub. Since this character is similar in texture to plastic, therefore we will not draw a skin texture but a plastic texture with glossy highlight in the light. First of all, we draw the line art. I did not show this moment in the video. After I drew the line art, I began to paint over the general masses with large strokes. After playing around with the brush settings, I choose a standard hard brush, and in the brush preset settings I checked the color dynamic checkbox. This step opens up the beauty of Photoshop for you. Your brush stroke gets more complex. The colors start to blend automatically, thus creating a more complex texture. Step by step, I sketch out the hair, body, other details, such as modified arms, a baseball bat. In this way, I set general shapes and colors from the character. Also, for the convenience of work, I use the polygonal lasso tool, which easily helps me to select, for example, pants and outline them inside the object without going beyond the contours. After I finished with the pants, I paint over to her guns and holsters. I also started to paint her modified arms in color. As you can see, her arms are made up of several parts. The main colors emerald green, white, black and purple are located at the fingertips, thus emphasizing her manicure. Of course, you do not need to paint openly with black or green or even white. Since you have a white background, then white on white will simply not be noticeable. In this case, you should set the shadow base on the white portion of the forearm detail. Don't be afraid to mix colors, use blue, gray and pink, so the items will interact with each other, and this approach will give a more realistic volume to your concept. After I finished with the general traits in the character, I gave the character lights and shadow in the general masses. I moved on to drawing in more detail. I call it the second stage in the work. I also created a separate layer and began to refine the details in the character in more detail. This feature of work helps me in my work. If something went wrong, you can always delete or erase on a layer. I also started to refine the hair. I moved on to the details of the face. I drew makeup on her face. It's in blue color. I also cut out then duplicated the layer with the left eye, and in perspective I mirrored and superimposed it on the right eye. This was done so as not to draw the eyes twice. This method saves your time when working with an order. I also moved on to drawing her metal collarbones, which she demonstrated on her body as a modification. I also added some volumetric lights on her right arm. Refine and detail elements on the left forearm. I draw in pistols, put in more details in there, more complex colors.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop. Stop.